Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Words for Wonder. Today is day 9 of our 30-day vocabulary building challenge. Today's word of the day is gourmet. Okay, let's get started. क्या आपको स्वादिष्ट खाने का शौक है? होगा ही। कभी सोचा है कि ऐसे खाने के शौकीन लोगों को क्या कहते हैं? वेल, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में इसके लिए एक शब्द है gourmet. The word gourmet is a noun. It is used to describe someone who has a refined taste in food and enjoys high quality, expertly prepared food. In Hindi, gourmet शब्द का मतलब होता है ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसे उम्दा और बेहतरीन खाना पसंद हो. इसका इस्तेमाल खाने के लिए भी हो सकता है जो उच्च गुणवत्ता वाला हो और खास तरीके से प्रिपेयर किया गया हो. It's not just about enjoying the food, but also about appreciating the art of cooking, the presentation, and the finest ingredients used in preparing the dish. It can be used as an adjective to describe food or a product. For example, you can say gourmet coffee or gourmet chocolate. When you use it as an adjective, it refers to items that are of premium quality and prepared with extra attention to detail. Now, one important thing, people often confuse two words. The first is gourmet, the second is gourmand. Both words deal with a love of food, but they are not the same. Gourmet refers to someone who values quality over quantity, whereas gourmand refers to someone who enjoys eating large quantity of food. So, a gourmand is a person who enjoys food, but he is more concerned about how much he can eat rather than how refined the food is. So, if you are dining with a gourmet, you expect them to admire the flavor, the texture, and the plating. If you are dining with a gourmand, you can expect them to ask for the second serving. Let's look at some examples now. The chef takes pride in preparing gourmet food, which is a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. Another example, many people love the gourmet coffee culture, where the focus is on high quality beans and brewing methods. The next time you experience fine dining, you know what to call it. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something new. If you like my content, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.